For Chapter 9, Business and Consumer Loans, answers. Number 1. Consumer credit reflects your personal borrowing habits. Business credit assesses a company's ability to manage debt, affecting loan rates for equipment or inventory. Number 2. Open-end and revolving credit allow ongoing borrowing up to a limit. Open-end applies to credit cards and HELOCs, with minimum payments based on the balance. Revolving credit refers to credit cards with grace periods to avoid interest charges on full payment. Number 3. Loan consolidation combines multiple debts into one loan with a single payment.